Hey everybody, welcome to Bob Knows the Outdoors, BKT Outdoors. Today I'm going to just kind of go over my deer camp setup, show some of the gear I'm using, and see what you guys think. Leave some comments below. Here's a quick little drive-by of how the camp is set up. I've got two Ozark Trail North Fork canvas style tents. This is a heavy ripstop material, pretty nice tents. This is our sleeping area, wood stove. This is the cooking and dining area, mostly coffee on this pot. And then this is our cook shack. We are having a little bit of an issue with a field mouse. Yeah, that's what's left of our shredded paper towels. So we now have to hide everything in our bins, which it's a good thing we have a lot of bins. I guess I can go into how the tent is functioning here. So I'll hit on that topic now. Well, here we are in our cook shack. We're gonna start here. This tent is pretty awesome. I've had these tents for 4 years. I got a bee flying around here. It comes with this handy pocket organizer. Got a little license or whatever you put in that. Got a couple of them. I don't really use this in here, but this is a hanging strap, so you can hang up your clothes and stuff like that in here to let it dry out. Another thing it's got, it comes with these little lights, and you can see them swinging over there. 3 AAA batteries. Very handy to have. Windows zip down. Here they float, and you can roll them up and strap them on there. But it's kind of chilly out here, so we're leaving those zipped up. It has I'm forgetting what this stovepipe is called. It's something jack. You remember what it's called? A stove jack. Yeah. So it has a stove jack. I'm hit and miss on this. I like it. We'll go outside in a second and I'll show you how it zips down. But up here, yeah, I'll get into that in a second. Over here, we've got our 3-burner Expedition 3 Camp Chef stove. I've also got the Camp Chef pizza oven, which is killer. It cooks the best pizzas. We cooked tater tots on it last night. We had some issues with this because it's an older one. Had to run it in town and replace the hose. Let's see, we also have the Camp Chef griddle that goes on it. And then all of our goodies in here. Let's go outside. I want to show you guys the stove jack. So this thing has got these 2 cords on it to tighten it, and then you pull it this way to bring it down, and then it flips open. It's okay, but when it rains, water builds up right in here, and then you can strap it back. One of the design flaws in this particular tent. And then when you pull it back up. Is that right? Oh, flip that up. This way. Oh, I should probably teach myself how to do this again. Yeah, see the zippers? Yeah, I don't know. There is drain holes on either side, so if water does get in there, it theoretically is going to drain out. I've had 4 inches of snow on this. As long as you sweep it off when you realize there's 4 inches of snow, the very lightweight frame, even though the whole thing is 92 pounds bagged up, will collapse if you don't sweep it off. But I've had 4 inches of snow on it, no problem. Let's go in here, and I'm gonna hit on one of my pet peeves. See the Velcro here? There's Velcro on the bottom. It comes off really easy. Granted, you know, we kind of crammed in our cots. It would be nice if there was something to grab onto here to help push it on there and give you a more firm purchase on the Velcro. So, one of the downsides, we haven't had any leaks in these tents in the 4 years that I've owned them. In this particular tent, we wanted a little bit more light. And actually my buddy Dan just really wanted to use his USB lights. They're pretty cool. They're pretty bright. Let's see if I can get them to come on. There's one. There's two. Granted, it's daylight, so they're not going to be super bright. But very handy to have. This is a very must-have. This is my Nebo headlamp. I love this thing. It is really bright. Has multiple settings, and you can recharge with USB. Well, micro USB. Just an awesome lamp. I highly recommend it. And it's magnetic, so it just sits up there. I guess that's about it for now. This is kind of posh camping, but we're going to be here for a week deer hunting. And I just wanted to show you guys what my deer camp looks like. Have a good one. Get outdoors.